Here we have a 2020 Ford Edge Titanium all-wheel drive. Comes with a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in a black color. Let's take a look inside. Coming inside, I have a nice armrest, parallel windows and mirrors, memory seat functions, black leather upholstery all throughout, power driver lumbar support. Let's hop inside. Got an air vent on the left-hand side, fog lights, automatic headlights, digigauge cluster dimming controls, traction control system, your power trunk. Got cruise control functions on the left, adaptive cruise control, I should say. Coming to the digital gauge, blind spot, cross traffic alert, lane keeping assist, pre-collision. Right side have our audio, radio, Bluetooth controls, auto rain wipers. Coming to the infotainment, source has got AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, dual zone electronic climate control functions, our fan controls, full navigation, apps, and our settings. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your radio, sound, Bluetooth, general settings here as well. 911 assist, voice control, valet mode. Camera view buttons, you got a front camera here as well. Heated seats for the driver and passenger, as well as ventilated seats, front and rear defrost. USB inputs, backup camera, front and rear parking aids, 2 cup holders, electronic park brake, auto start stop. Got your parallel park assist and perpendicular park assist. Park sense audio, center console, panoramic roof, sunglass holder, interior lighting options, your moonroof controls, garage door opener button, auto dimming rearview mirror. Let's take a look outside. The front here have our headlights, front parking sensors, Ford badges in the middle, alloy rims, paint matching door handles and mirrors with rear tinted windows, beautiful taillights, Ford Edge badge on the left, and your titanium EcoBoost all-wheel drive on the right. Open up the trunk. It is a power trunk, opens up automatically there for us by the press of a button. 60-40 split for the rear seats. Let's go take a look at the back seats. Back seats here have a nice armrest, power windows, all other mats, tons of legroom and headroom. Same leather upholsteries we have in the front. Rear air vents, heated seats, 12-volt AC input, and you can also fold that down for 2 cup holders and an armrest. Let's head back outside. That'll wrap it up for this Ford Edge Titanium all-wheel drive in our black color. If you have any questions or you want to book test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.